In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Elevate Pay to Fiverr. If you want to receive your Fiverr earnings through your Elevate Pay US bank account, the process is fairly straightforward. I am going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion and make sure everything is entered correctly the first time. To begin, log into your Fiverr account and go to your dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your profile, orders, and payments. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the My Business section. Click on it and then select Earnings. This is where Fiverr lets you manage how you receive your money. Inside the Earnings section, find the option that says Add Payout Method. Click that, and Fiverr will show you the available withdrawal methods for your account. From the list, choose Bank Transfer, and make sure the currency is set to USD. This is important because you will be connecting a US bank account through Elevate Pay, so selecting the correct currency helps avoid setup issues later. After choosing the bank transfer option, Fiverr may ask you to complete a verification step. A verification code will usually be sent to your phone or email, depending on your account settings. Check the device or inbox connected to your Fiverr account. Retrieve the code, and enter it exactly as received. This step helps protect your account and confirms that you are authorized to make payout changes. Once verification is complete, you will be asked to enter your Elevate Pay US bank account details. Carefully type in the account number, routing number and beneficiary information exactly as shown in your Elevate Pay account. Accuracy matters here, because even a small mistake can delay your payouts or cause the bank transfer setup to fail. It's a good idea to double-check every field before moving forward. When everything is filled in, submit the details and complete the verification if Fiverr asks for any final confirmation. After that, your payout method should be added successfully, and your Fiverr earnings can be sent to your linked Elevate Pay bank account, according to Fiverr's withdrawal process. Before you leave the page, take a moment to confirm that the payout method appears correctly in your earnings settings. That extra check can save you time later and gives you peace of mind that everything is set up properly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.